Hello, this is attorney Jeremy Hogan and welcome to Legal Briefs. And you are in for a treat today because we are going to talk about what you are legally buying when you buy an NFT, a non-fungible token. As you may have heard, NFTs have been selling like mad recently. This piece of art by an artist called Black Sneakers recently sold for $7,000. Very nice, very nice. But that's nothing compared to what an artist who goes by the name Beeple sold recently. This collage of digital art, and it sold for $69 million. $69 million. So not wanting to lose out on this craze and the money, I also have made some digital art, just not recently, and so I want to announce that I'm going to tokenize it and sell my art on OpenSea, and here it is. I call it Me and My Atari. And if you want to purchase it, I will be going by my artist name, Old as Mud. Non-fungible tokens are called non-fungible because they are unique, not because you can't make a vegetarian sandwich out of it. I'm vegetarian, even I don't find that appetizing. In any case, in the US, any expression of artwork, including an NFT, carries with it certain intellectual property rights, automatically. If you sketch your boss as a demon spawn during a boring meeting, you have copyright of that artwork, and that includes the right to copy it, adapt it, distribute it, everything. And you have those rights for 120 years. Yes, that's longer than you'll probably live, and Disney is partly to blame as the copyrights for Mickey Mouse keep coming up. The copyright period keeps magically being pushed back by Congress. Funny how that works. In any case, the key point here is that copyright protections can be chopped up into small pieces and sold or lent out for a period of time. For example, NBC might have sole rights to show an NFL game live, but then the NFL can sell the rights to rebroadcast it to ESPN and can further sell the rights to still images from the game to, for example, NFL Trading Cards Incorporated. So when you buy an NFT, you are entering into a contract for a piece of the copyright, but not all of it. First, certain contractual rights can be written into the smart contract of the NFT itself. So of course, those rights are part of the purchase. For example, NFTs that automatically give you a percentage of future sales back to the purchaser. Now those are usually based on the ERC 721 standard. I feel so smart saying that. And here it is, it's the royalty standard. I have no idea what all of that programmer stuff is, but it has to do with how you get paid for future sales of your NFT, and there it is. But outside of rights directly written into the NFT, you are usually only purchasing the rights to view and show others your digital art. It's actually really limited. Now here's a summary of one of the earlier versions of the copyright agreement. This is from about 2 or 3 years ago. Okay, so here you can see what am I allowed to do with the art associated with my NFT. Now, if you buy kitty art, you can look at it, play with it, and at the bottom you can see that you can even make some money from your kitty as long as you don't make too much money. 3 years of law school, 20 years in court, and here I am talking about making money from your kitty. But be aware, this is an older license, and actually it's very broad. Most NFTs now are more limited in the copyright license. Now here's a license from a more recent purchase in March of 2021. I won't bore you by reading the legal gobbledygook, but you are basically buying the right to look at the NFT, that's small Roman numeral number 1, the right to sell it on an NFT marketplace, that's Roman numeral number 2, and the right to use it in things like virtual worlds that include NFTs, that's Roman numeral number 3, and that's it. Remember, when you purchase an NFT, you almost never own the underlying art itself. In other words, you can't take your Kermit NFT and make a meme out of it, no matter how hilarious it is, and you don't want to get sued by Disney. They are vicious with their IP, trust me. Also, you cannot change your kitty NFT and stick something like a ridiculous Pop-Tart body on it. For sure, that will get you sued. That's the original version, Pop-Tart body? Anyways, be careful with what you are buying because it is probably much more limited than you think. And I will leave you with this gentleman, JMS Vlogs, who bought a Beeple NFT, and he got an actual physical box of goodies from Beeple, which, well, I'll just let you watch. I hope I don't get a copyright strike from YouTube for this.
Wow. This is like I literally don't want to even turn this thing on. So the most important thing about art is to work. Nothing else matters except sitting down every day and trying. That's a Stephen Pressfield quote. That's the hair sample right there. Supposedly this is pubes. I don't know. Is it?